Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something really interesting for musicians on the go, especially beginners. It's the KONIX folding piano keyboard, the 88-key full-size model in white. The first thing you notice is how incredibly portable this is. It folds right in half 180 degrees, making it super compact. When folded, it's just 24.8 inches by 8 inches by 4.7 inches, and it weighs only 9.6 pounds. It even comes with a dedicated travel bag, so you can easily pack it up and take it anywhere, to a friend's house, outdoors, or just move it around your home without hassle. Now let's talk about the keys. This isn't just a basic keyboard. It features 88 full-size, semi-weighted keys. The description says they're crafted to a 1-to-1 ratio compared to a standard piano, aiming to give you a similar feel and key depth. The semi-weighted action means the keys have some resistance, which is great for developing finger strength and technique, especially for beginners. A key feature here is the touch sensitivity. The volume changes depending on how hard you press, allowing for more expressive playing and dynamic range, just like an acoustic piano. It also supports a double keyboard function, useful for teaching or duets. For modern learning and creativity, this keyboard is well equipped. It has built-in Bluetooth, fantastic for connecting wirelessly to popular piano learning apps like GarageBand, Perfect Piano, and Pop Piano. This can make practicing much more interactive and fun. Plus, there's a standard MIDI USB interface, so you can hook it up to your computer or other devices for music editing or production. Looking at the control panel, there's a clear LCD display. It's packed with features, 128 different tones, 128 rhythm patterns, and 20 built-in demo songs. Beyond the basics, it includes functions like split mode, a dedicated teaching mode, dual voice, record and playback, metronome with chord support, and transpose. These features really cover the essential needs for a beginner's practice routine. Powering this portable piano is a built-in rechargeable lithium battery. You can charge it via USB or even a power bank. Super convenient when you're not near an outlet. A full charge gives you about 6 to 8 hours of playtime, plenty for practice sessions on the go. It also comes with the necessary accessories, a sheet music stand and a sustain pedal, essential for proper piano technique. For someone just starting out or needing a practice instrument that doesn't take up much space and can travel easily, the KONIX folding piano keyboard seems like a really solid option. It offers a good balance of portability, essential features, and a key feel that is a step up from basic keyboards, all designed to support a beginner's journey.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.